Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you how to open and use a demo account in TradingView mobile. So guys, as you can see we have various windows in here, which is watch list, charts, explore community, etc. So in order to open this, you just basically need to choose something that you wish to trade. Let's for example choose Tesla, and after that, as you can see, it will load. And in here, as you can see, we have this black trade button. Just press on it. And as you can see guys, we have the paper trading. So this is going to be our brokerage simulator that will allow us to trade with like a fake money, basically not real money. So if you're looking to practice and you don't want to mess around and basically use your cash and maybe lose your cash because you're inexperienced, this is going to be your way to go. So if you want to learn how to trade, paper trading is for you. So guys, the first time you try paper trading, of course it's not going to be available, but the moment you press on this button, on my account, it's already, it's actually not, okay, so I activated on the PC, but it's not connected on my mobile. So this is actually how it's done guys. As you can see, it lets you practice buying and selling securities. The process is similar to real trading, except no real money is used. Just like I said, if you're inexperienced, you can just use paper trading and learn to trade before you actually get to using the real cash. So just press on connect. And as you can see guys, now our paper trading is connected and active. And now if you want to start trading, you can just, for example, press on buy, and you will use your fake money, right, so which is not real money, and learn how to use the trading, basically the functionality inside of this app without messing around with the real cash. So guys, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, like the video and leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one.